Alright guys, welcome back. We have another question from the second chapter of engineering mechanics statics, and we need to determine the design angle theta, which we know should be between 0 to 90 degrees for strut AB, so that the 400 horizontal force has a component of 500 pounds directed from A towards C. So basically, if we resolve this 400 pounds, we're gonna get one force of 500 pounds, which is one of the components of the 400 pounds, and moving from A towards C. So that's the direction for the force. The question is asking us what is the component of force acting along member AB, and we have the angle phi 40 degrees. So we know this angle is 40 degrees, and as I mentioned, the 400 is going to be the resultant of the 500 components and the force that is in AB. We're going to solve this based on trigonometry, and for doing that we're going to use the parallelogram law in order to find the components of these two. And what we can see in here, if we try to, so we have another force which is along AB, and we know AB is a two force member, so the force would be along the line that connects A to B. So it's going to be something like this. The parallelogram that we're going to get, it will be something like this. And now we need to go with the triangle that it makes. We can go with the top one. So basically we have a force 400 pounds in here, which has two components. One of them is this, which is the FAB. We have to figure this one out. And the other component would be, based on what I show, I can go a little bit longer for FAB. So FAB, and this is going to be our FAC, which we know is 500 pounds. So this is the triangle that we are using, and we know this angle is 40 degrees. Basically, that's the phi that we have. This is going to be the angle between 400 pounds and the member AB, which is theta, so we need to figure that one out. And yeah, basically we are dealing with this triangle that we have in here. So let's figure out the, it's easy enough to find the theta now based on the law of sines. So if we use the law of sines, we're gonna have sine of theta over the side that is facing that angle is 500, sine of 40 degrees over 400 pounds. So from here we can find the sine of theta, and our theta would be basically sine inverse of 500 sine of 40 degrees over 400. So sine inverse of 5 sine of 40 divided by 5, divided by 4, and that's going to give us the angle 53.46 degrees, or 53.4 if we want to report it in 3 sig figs. All right, now that we have the theta, we know the sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180, and if we want to find this angle, which we can call it alpha, alpha would be basically 180 minus 40 plus 53.46 degrees, and that's going to give us, so 180 minus 40 minus 53.46, that's going to be 86.54 degrees. Now that we have that angle, we can either use the law of cosines in order to find the FAB, or basically we have here sine of that angle that we found, 86.54 degrees over FAB, which is probably easier to go this way. So FAB would be 400 sine of 86.54 degrees over sine of 40 degrees. So 400 sine of 86.54 over sine of 40 degrees. And yeah, that's going to give us 621 pounds in 3 sig figs. And the final answer for this question. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.